Don't throw this in the trash. Right now, at the beginning of summer, most gardeners make one big mistake that causes their tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers to produce small fruits later on. But there's another mistake that almost everyone makes. Because of it, plants can start wilting literally overnight, even when they look completely healthy. I'll show you how to avoid it, but first, let's make this simple homemade fertilizer. The most important thing is to start using this fertilizer right now, while your plants are producing flowers and setting their first fruits. At this stage, plain water is no longer enough. The first ingredient is something many people throw away every day: banana peels. Chop them into very small pieces or blend them until finely shredded. They contain a large amount of potassium, which is essential for developing large and flavorful fruits. Place the banana peels in a container and pour a small amount of hot water over them. Let them soak for a few hours. Then we'll add another ingredient that most people would never associate with gardening. Add about 100 milliliters of whey. If you don't have whey, low-fat milk can be used instead. Many gardeners use whey because it helps keep leaves healthy and reduces the risk of common problems that often affect cucumber plants during the summer. Now we come to the ingredient that makes this mixture so effective. Most people never add it to homemade fertilizers, yet it creates a natural layer of protection around the plant. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Garlic releases natural compounds that help protect plants from various fungi, bacteria, and garden pests. That's why many experienced gardeners use it as a natural ally throughout the growing season. Mix everything thoroughly and let it sit for at least 1 hour. After that, strain the liquid and add 1 more liter of water. For application, about 300 milliliters per plant is enough. But before you use this fertilizer, I need to warn you about the mistake I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Many gardeners water or spray their plants during the hottest part of the day. This can damage the leaves, causing plants to weaken and begin wilting. That's why you should always apply this fertilizer in the evening after sunset. Repeat this process every 10 days throughout June and July. Many gardeners notice the biggest difference in fruit size and quality during this period. Let me know in the comments which part of the world you're watching from and whether you'll try this fertilizer in your garden. See you in the next video.